start with a rag. I'm in the shop vac, and this is where the dispenser was. There's the dispenser. There's the water. Remember, that has to go back on like that. This, I should be able to pick this up with the shop vac. It's all rusty, so we're just gonna clean and we'll come back. Yeah, look what they did here. Jesus Christ, look at that. Can't have nice things, Bobby. Okay, we'll come back when it's clean. Billie Jean. So I'm sitting here thinking to myself, why am I cleaning this when it comes out? Just like every other dirty washing machine, it comes out. Now, just take a mental note. The tub needs to be cleaned. Yeah, I don't know if you can focus. There's a lot of schmutz. I'll hit this with the rag, but this needs to be cleaned. We'll pop that out and clean it. We'll shop vac what I can down there. But other than that, oh, maybe I could clean it in the sink. All right, so we're cleaning, we're breaking it down, we're cleaning, and look at how disgusting that is. Yeah, you know what that is? Fabric softener. She's using the powder, but overusing the fabric softener. So now I gotta get a screwdriver, I guess. Is that what I do? This is why you don't use fabric softener. This is just everybody in my house, my mom's house, just not listening. You don't use fabric softener. The agitation comes right out, boop! And then this rubber grommet I pulled out for you, and then there's a bolt here, and then that bolt removes this black piece, and we'll put this back. And that black piece has some tub bolt. I'm assuming this tub, I don't know, I don't know. Just trying to figure out if when I come back how bad I gotta clean it, and if it's gonna break free, because it's really disgusting. I know battery's too low to use the flash. Yeah, this is all crap. All right, so we're gonna put the agitator back. We're gonna put everything back we cleaned, and that's that. So of course nothing just happens. It never came out. So I broke one piece of the agitator. It's not worth gluing because he'll come back. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I broke one. So same thing as some of these machines. You line up the key. So we'll bring it in. This is the water dispenser. Get that out of the way. There's a black key in there. What you want to do is line it up. I guess the best you can. Oh wait, that's right. Just like the last one. These fins match these. So I'm going to find a fin, and I think I'm going to just yeah, see, and just very, there you go. Do you hear that? Perfect. Okay, push it down. Obviously, it should rise, and then we put all this stuff back. So this was first. Yeah, because the crap was in there. I don't think it's anything special. Yep. This was second. I don't think it went this way. No, that's impossible. So it went this way, and then it went down. There you go. You hear that? Okay. Now we're going to put the plastic lid on. So now we're going to put the plastic lid on. Try to figure out where it goes. This would be where the bleach goes or whatever you feel like doing. So try to point it in the right direction. Has these clips. Oh, there's really no orientation. Oh, that's not good. I thought it would have given me more of a where would it be. I'm not liking that. I just kind of ripped it off and it just sits on this hood. Oh, there's no. Okay. That's not good. I guess there's red things where they're supposed to go. I don't like that. How am I supposed to know where it goes? I'm brain farting. It kind of goes like that. I guess I'll have to take it out. Doesn't. Why would it do that? There's absolutely no orientation. Oh, well, the back is where the water goes, so I guess I'll just line that up. One, two, three, 4, 5. Try not to slice your hand open. There we go. I think it. Well, there we go. Okay, the water goes here. Now we're going to get the lid. All right, well, time to put it back on. Gotta be careful with the hose and the power. And just remember, it's going to slide on first and then it's going to pivot. Now it's going to pivot. Everything's going to fall. Okay, the first thing you want to do is put the hose back on so we remember. You don't have to show it, but in the bottom on the previous portion, it's the water level sensor. It needs to go on, because then you won't have a sensor. Bring it up. That's kind of like a feel and twist. You know, you have to, and then bring the thing down here. Through the sea, through the sea. Okay. I just have to hold my fingers. Gotta pinch this weird thing. Probably an easier way to take it off. Okay, that stays there. Put it back in the brackets if you can without pinching it. Always a problem. Always a fucking problem. This goes here. Pinched it on the wrong way. Yay! Yay. Go up behind this. Stupid thing. Sorry, I got a leak. Put it down here. Try to mimic the way it was. There you go, see? Got the hose there. And we'll try to move this out of the way. Woo! Yeah, make a video, they say. Video. Ah! Sweating. I'm sweating. Yeah, there you go. 4 of you. It's like a car. I just want to put it back the way it was, you know? So it went here, behind here, and then it went here, and then it sits on that. That's the thingamajig. Okay. Let's put the power back on. Blue, blue, ground, ground, yellow, yellow. Doesn't really snap. Crackle and pop. That went that way. So we should have 3 screws. Yeah, that's great. That sits down there. Now we're going to put back the water. There's 2 nipples, which wherever they go, I'm assuming right here. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah. What's going to happen is this shit. That's what's going to happen. Yeah, 1,000 tools and 1,000 tools. Well, everything's 1,000 tools. So the last 2 screws, right? Well, other than the thing. So let's see if it, breaks. Okay. That's nice. Oh, it goes in the lip like that. My bad. So sorry. See the lip? I went into a lip. It's great. Now, we'll start it because it's brand new. And then we'll go back to the drill. Use my head. Okay. All right, so now we should be able to drop this. Hose and the wire. Okay. Perfect. It's just a little out of spec. Here we are. Open it up. Got 2 big ones right here. We'll start by hand. And then we'll go back to the 5/16. You gotta just wobble over here. It's all metal and tin, so it's out of wacky. There we go. Nicey nice. Woo! So now we'll just screw this back in. Be careful with the sides. You know, slice yourself. Yep, nice new metal. Right. Unfortunately, we have to push it back. Remember, the lid switch is broken. I mean, not broken, we fixed it. So we're going to push it back a little bit. Okay, well, maybe we'll clean it. So we have it back. I'll unplug the shop vac. We'll unplug the phone. But we'll put the phone on top because I ran out of juice. We'll take the plug. And we'll start a cycle and put all the dirty towels we used to clean it. I will fix this. That stops the hose from coming out, which in this house wouldn't matter. It would just fail. Okay. So we're going to pre-soak heavy duty eco normal, heavy duty normal economy hand wash delicate soap pre-soak. Heavy duty permanent press extra rinse normal. Man, is that comes in sideways. I have it to hot, warm and cold. I have it to hot. This has to be deep clean at some point. This was the horrendous events of changing this whole cover. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.